Bonjour mes élèves. Good morning students. Today we are going to learn a very important topic. Before going to the topic, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Observe it carefully. In this picture you can see many gestures. First one is thinking about the food. Second one, she is thinking about the water. Third one, he fears about evil spirit. Fourth one, he feels sleepy. Fifth one, they celebrating birthday. Sixth one is having a box. Seventh one, he feels hot. Eighth one, she feels cold. Ninth one, she says correct answer. 10th one, she says wrong answer. So these are the gestures you can see in this picture. While you're looking at this picture, what do you feel in your mind? Yeah, it is like expressing themselves, what they feel, what they want to do, they just telling by their gestures. This is called expressions. Expressions means what we feel, what we are doing and what we need, we just express by our body language or by our action. It is called expression. Mostly when expressions are used with the verb avoir. In English, we will say with other verbs too. But in French, expression we have to use avoir verb. We already learned avoir verb. So, for the expression we have to use avoir. It means to be, to feel and to need. If you need something or if you want to say what you feel, you can use avoir, and if you just as what you were, you can say avoir verb. Let's learn the meaning and we just discuss how we can use it in a sentence. First one, he is sitting in a table and he is thinking about food. When do you think about food? When you are hunger. When you are hunger, you will think about a food. So he is hungry. So he will say that j'ai faim. J'ai faim means hunger. Faim means what? Hunger or hungry. J'ai faim, that means I am hunger. If I want to say that boy has hunger, you can say il a faim. Il a faim, that means he is or he feels hunger. Next one, it is a girl feels about water. So she is thirsty. Elle a soif, that means she is thirsty. Soif means thirsty. So elle a soif, she is thirsty. Next one, it is there are two persons, they are one is celebrating a birthday. It may be that person who is standing near to the cake. Avoir soixante-dix ans, that means il a soixante-dix ans. Il a soixante-dix ans. Whenever you are telling about your age, you have to use avoir verb. We already discussed in presentation that whenever you are telling your age, you have to use avoir verb. You should not use être verb. So it is a one type of expressions. Is afraid of a ghost. So it is il a peur. Peur means fear. Peur means fear. Il a faim, elle a soif, il a peur. According to the person, the subject changes. Okay. Next one, it is he feels sleepy. Il a sommeil. Sommeil means sleepy. Sommeil means sleepy. And next one, it is avoir de la chance. Chance means luckiness, or if we get any award or reward, you can say I am lucky, I had a chance. Avoir de la chance, that means il a de la chance, he is lucky. Next, avoir chaud. Chaud means hot. Chaud means hot. He feels hot, so it is il a chaud. We already discussed il fait chaud. Il fait chaud means it is climate. You are telling about the climatic conditions. Il a chaud means he feels hot. When there is no fan, when there is so hot out, we can say il a chaud. That means he feels hot. If they give some cup of coffee or tea, you can say it is hot. I feel hot. That means il a chaud. Next one it is she feels cold. Elle a froid. Elle a froid. And next one it is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. They gave a equation. He says it is correct. If anybody says something, if you say it is correct, you can use il a raison. That means he is correct. If it is wrong, il a faux. Il a tort. If the reason is correct, you have to say il a raison. If it is wrong, il a tort. According to the person, the subject change. If it is a boy, it is il. If it is a girl, it is elle. Expressions, you have to use our. I hope you cleared about it. Whenever you want to express yourself, your feeling or what you need, or if you want to say about you, with the expressions, you have to use our verb. Now, you are going to learn another types of expression which is used. This is also expressions, but it is used in a certain place. That is called when you express your pain. When do you express your pain? In a clinic or in a hospital, when you go to the doctor, he will ask question, where do you have pain? That time you can say, I have headache, I have stomach ache. Like that, when you express your feeling that you are sick or if you have any pain, you can use these expressions. They have given certain things. Look at the picture. Où as-tu mal? That means where do you have pain? J'ai mal au dos. I have toothache. J'ai mal à la tête. I have headache. J'ai mal au pied. I have leg pain. I have leg pain. J'ai mal au ventre. I have stomach ache. J'ai mal à la gorge. I have throat pain. J'ai mal au dos. I have back pain. Whenever you express pain in a certain place, you can have dos, tête, pied, ventre, gorge, dos. Wherever do you have pain, you can use the sentence. J'ai mal. Then you have to say the place of the pain. J'ai mal au dos. J'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal aux pieds. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal à la gorge. J'ai mal au dos. You already learned les parties du corps. So you can use parts of the body. If you have any pain in your body, you can use that vocabulary after the j'ai mal. I hope you understand the expression when and how you can use it. Make a sentence with these expressions and do the exercise